Hi, I'm Jeff Mowatt here with another customer service tip. And today we're going to be talking about how do we enhance the experience when customers are making a grudge purchase. In other words, they don't want to be there. And the main focus today is about acknowledging delays. I mean, you can imagine that a couple having dinner at an upscale restaurant who are enjoying their appetizers don't probably mind that much if their main course is delayed by a bit. On the other hand, when you have a parent who's waiting in a dentist's office with a fidgety child, he or she is going to be a little more upset if the appointment's being delayed by a long time. So in that case, the dentist should acknowledge that delay. And by that, I mean saying something along the lines of, I'm sorry about the delay today. I appreciate your patience. A previous patient had a serious condition I need to spend a little bit more time with, but rest assured, I'm going to take all the time that you need here today. Let me check with you up front though. How's your time? Are we okay? That kind of wording helps customers feel like they're less taken for granted, more like they're back in control, and they're going to feel more receptive to your services. Well, I hope you find that to be helpful. And if you like this video, I think you're going to love my 30-second tips, which you'll get for free at jeffsbusinesstips.com. See you next time.